This morning, we are coming to start doing the spray, the treatment of the wood. So as you can see, we have our spraying machine here too, and then we have about three dash band, but this one is different from the other one that we use. So this is the gallon of the diesel that we bought. So we are coming to start because there is no time. So as for the mandate break, you have to start doing something. So that's what we are coming to start this morning. So we are coming, we start, you see everything from now going. Okay, thank you very much. So this is what is going on in your site. As you can see, we're almost done with the portion. So now then the night catcher, so we've got permit tomorrow. We are doing the continuation. So we're almost done with this side, the rafters. So we'll have the other side tomorrow. We'll continue that one. The setting is inside the night catcher small, so this is what happened for today too. So now they ask for you can see the progress of the work. Yeah, so now everything is going smoothly. So by God grace, tomorrow we'll finish the top, you know. By God grace, plus the facial board, everything. Then the down to for the cylinders. You see your house be small house. It's not small like that though. It's not small like that. So tomorrow we are coming here, then the other side too, the small one over there. So that means we'll finish the top tomorrow. Then we go down like the way I said it. Okay. How boy, me pa. So this is the 2x2 tools going on. The ceiling on this one. So this is where we can reach so far. So we will be coming here. Tomorrow we are coming here then all the way to this side too. We haven't come here yet. Yeah. And then this side too. By God grace, tomorrow we will be here tomorrow. So that is the 2 room that we occupy for today. Okay. where the fisher board is, we need some block work over there too. Where the iron rod is now, we need a block from here all the way to that side, to then get there, to the back there too. Yeah. So these the new ones now. So this is the spoiler one that they leave at the ground. So this is how it look like. You see? This is how it look like. You see? This one is not alumi or how do you call it, roofing sheet? This one be the slate, you know. This be the old type, you know. But because of the way the roofing is, you know, this one nobody will see the roofing shaft. So me I prefer this one because of the sea briefs too. So this is where they pack it. So now we are doing offloading now. So this we how we send our one go to the top. So we pass on like three before we reach the top now. The one person go hold on there, the one person to the up there. But the up person there for supporter, but because of the show you the video now, that's why I have to come there. So now we almost send all to the up.